Hi everybody, Rosa here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Spanish questions. The question for this lesson is: when do you use the conjunction U instead of O? First, let's go over some background information on how to use O. O is a conjunction in Spanish that means or. It's a conjunción coordinada disyuntiva, or disjunctive coordinating conjunction. That means it connects two different sentences and it used to give contrast or connect contrary opinions. An example of contrast would be: sal a trabajar ahora o no llegarás a tiempo, meaning go to work now or you are not going to be on time. Here, that means if part A, go to work, doesn't happen, part B, you are not going to be there on time, will happen. An example of connecting contrary opinions would be: ¿qué quieres de postre? ¿Helado o fruta? Meaning, what do you want for dessert? Ice cream or fruit? This is the most common use of O. Now, on to the question for this lesson. O changes to U when OR precedes a word that begins with an O sound. This includes H and O together because H is silent in Spanish. Let's go through some examples so you can learn when to use U instead of O. First up, más vale que vengas a la hora u otra persona te quitará el sitio, meaning you better come on time or another person is going to take your place. Here, the word otra, another, begins with an O sound, therefore we change O to U. Another example would be: puede utilizar esta mesa para jardín u hogar, meaning you can use this table for the garden or home. So why do the words change? That's easy, because it's easier to pronounce. How was this lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Hasta luego, see you later!